name is Terento Trio. I'm from SMK Semanggang. I will presenting about Science Form 2 topic is role of human to maintaining a balanced nature. Today, our planet facing serious challenge from rising temperature to polluted rivers and disappearing forests. This problem can happening far away there, affecting our daily life. So, what role do we as humans play in protecting and restoring the balance of our environment? First, reducing pollution. We can reduce pollution by using less plastic, managing waste properly, and keeping our air and water clean. Furthermore, conserving forests and wildlife. Forests provide oxygen and shelter for many species. By preventing deforestation, protecting wildlife, we help keep the ecosystem balanced. Lastly, recycling and green processing. Recycling using material and choosing green energy reduce environmental damage and resources. Conclusion: every action is matter. When we reduce pollution, protect nature, and recycle, we help maintain a healthy and balanced environment. Nature is our responsibility. Thank you.